So now I am going to discuss the civil engineering syllabus related to Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission Combined Engineering Services Examination. And Civil Engineering Code 261. The first unit, two subjects, building materials and construction practices. So properties of engineering materials pertaining to brick, stones, aggregate, cement types and grades only. Different types, OPC, PPC, quick setting. So types and grades, very important. Concrete mix design, IS 10262, I think 262, concrete mix design. So similarly, concrete admixtures related to accelerators, retarders, etc. And semi self-compacting concrete related to properties and various tests and applications where we are using steel and new materials. In building construction of stone masonry, brick masonry, RCC block masonry. In construction equipments, what are all the equipments you are using for lifting and etc. It comes under construction management, part construction equipments. Similarly, building bylaws and development rules related to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu building bylaws, you will have FSI floor space index and development regulations. Provision of fire safety, lighting, ventilation and acoustics. Unit 2, engineering survey. Survey, computation of areas, chain survey, compass surveying, plane table survey, leveling, fly leveling, longitudinal section and cross section, contour volumes, theodolite survey, traversing heights and distance, geodetic observation, tachometric, triangulation, use of EDM, GPS, and remote sensing techniques. So in engineering survey. Unit 3, strength of material, stresses and strains, thermal stresses, elastic constant and relation between the elastic constant, bending, beams bending and bending moment, shear force, theory of simple bending, deflection of beams, torsion, combined stresses. Combined stresses, now it will come both bending and shear. Similarly, stresses on inclined, principal stresses on principal planes, theories of failures, then analysis of plane stresses. You can expect around 18 to 20 marks in the strength of materials. In Unit 4, structural analysis, indeterminate beams, stiffness and flexibility methods of structural analysis, slope deflection, moment distribution, arches and suspension cables, theory of columns, moving load influence line, matrix method, stability of retaining wall and plastic theory. So roughly you can expect 1 or 2 questions from each. Indeterminate, stiffness 2 marks and flexibility, then slope deflection, moment. You can expect around 18 to 20 marks. Theory of columns, then moving load and ILD diagram for shear force, then moment, then matrix method, then stability of retaining wall. There are different sliding and overturning moment, and similarly plastic theory. In Unit 5, geotechnical engineering. This comprises of both soil and foundation engineering. Formation of soil, types of soil, classification of soil for engineering practices, field identification, then physical properties, then three-phase diagram. Three-phase diagram, familiar with the particle that is soil, then water, then air, three-phase diagram. And the relationship is also very important. Permeability, lab test permeability, constant head and falling head. Characteristics of soil, stress distribution. There are various stress distribution of soils, Bouzinus, Westergaard analysis, theory of consolidation, then primary, secondary, shear strength, then lab shear strength parameters, then compaction of soil, soil exploration and soil sampling technique, bore log profile, shallow foundation, tessile bearing capacity, pile foundation, group action of file and settlement of foundation. So shallow and deep foundation. Similarly, the soil exploration, these are all comes under foundation engineering. Then in Unit 6, environmental engineering and pollution control. This consists of 4 combination. That is, one is water and one is sewage, and another is solid waste and air, water, noise pollution. So in water, groundwater hydraulics, characteristics of water, water analysis, treatment, waterborne disease comes under water. Then sewerage system, design of sewerage, sewer appurtenance, pumping of sewage treatment and disposal, industrial waste treatment. Similarly, solid waste management, that is also disposal, collection, everything comes under solid waste management. Air, water and noise pollution control, noise pollution, air pollution. Then e-waste management. These are all comes under environmental and pollution. You can expect around 20 marks, 18 to 20 marks. In unit 7, it consists of 3 subjects, but you need not go through all the 3, only the selected topics you can focus. In RCC, design of concrete members, limit state and working. Design concepts is very important. Design of slabs, one way, two way, flat slabs. Design of singly and doubly, flange section. Design of columns and footings. Pre-stressing methods, system, pre-tensioning slab. Design of pre-stressed members for flexure. Then design of tension and compression member. So pre-stressed for flexure, you can concentrate in the pre-stressed concrete. You just go for the fundamentals, system, what are all the system methods and post-tensioning analysis for flexure. Then design of tension and compression member comes under steel structures. Boulder and welder connection is very important, boulder and connection. Design of truss, design of column and bases, design of beams, plate girder, cantering girder. This comes under the steel. So 3 parts, one is RCC and another pre-stressed, only a small portion. That is introduction and pre-stressed for analysis of flexure. The third part is steel structures. You may expect around 20 marks in this. Similar to previous one, this unit 8 also consisting of different parts, hydraulics, water resource. Here hydrostatics, application of Bernoulli's flow measurements, application of momentum, kinematics of flow. This comes under the hydraulics. Water resource in Tamil Nadu, water resource planning and master plan for water management, flood control, runoff, hydrograph, flood routing. This comes under hydrology. Soil irrigation, irrigation engineering, water requirements of crops, irrigation, design of alluvial, canal and design of headworks, water logging, water reclamation and cross drainage. So it consists of the hydraulics, that is fluid mechanics, one part, then water resource in management related to Tamil Nadu and water resource planning, master plan for management control, flood control, then hydrology, hydrograph and flood routing, then irrigation, then the design of canal headworks and reclamation and cross. So you focus specifically on these areas. The syllabus is vast in the water resource. You focus only on the, you can expect around 15 to 20 marks in the hydraulics. Sometimes even 20 to 22, sometimes if they are focusing water management, taking for related to water works. Suppose they are calling for water related work, means you can expect another 2 or 3 more questions, 20 to 25 questions. In urban transport engineering, urbanization on trend and impact, slum clearance, slum improvement program, then different modes of transport and characteristics, then geometric design of highways, design and construction of bituminous concrete road, maintenance road, railways, component of permanent way, signaling, interlocking. So the first part is urbanization impact, slum clearance, slum improvement, and different modes of transport and their characteristics. Comes a highway, geometric design, design of construction of bituminous concrete road, maintenance of road. In railway, component of permanent way, signaling, interlocking, train control. Similarly, in airport, components, site selection, runway, planning of terminal building. Harbor and port, layout of harbor and docks and the breakwaters. In project management and estimating, 2 different subjects. One is management and planning, scheduling, cost control, quality control, inspection. Network analysis, CPM PET, that is very important. Definitely we can expect 2 or 3 questions from CPM PET. Resource planning, resource management, types of estimates, then preparation of technical specification, tender documents, building, valuation, and law related to contract and hospitation. See, you can expect at least two questions from each topic: management, planning, network, CPM, then types of estimate, documents, valuation, then law related to contract. So you are having roughly 10 units. Of course, subject will be more than that. Roughly about 15 to 20 subject will be there. So you try to focus on this area. The Focus Success Academy is conducting online coaching classes for combined engineering services every day, daily classes, evening 7 to 8 p.m. If you are interested, you can register. And we are mainly focusing how to prepare for especially for Tnpsc, how to prepare, because the coaching aim of the coaching institute is to focus for particular exam, then how to you get a good rank and how to get the good rank, that we are actually focusing. If you are interested, you can share the links to others and so also call for 9789 444 583. Thank you for watching. Thank you.